Hello everyone. So first hiring is conducted by the Kyndryl and they're hiring as infrastructure specialist. Location in which they're hiring is Hyderabad. And here you can see the job description. 0 to 2 years of experience can be applied for this job in uh, s- customer service or technical support. Experience with Cisco Nexus and iOS technologies. Experience with F5 ASM LTM configuration and troubleshooting. You should be a Cisco certified, have the knowledge of networking, automation, and scripts. Next hiring is conducted by the Concentrix and they're hiring as Python developer. Location in which they're hiring is Bangalore. And backend knowledge must be there. You must have the strong proficiency in Python, hands-on experience with fast API, deep understanding of RESTful APIs, design principles, experience with asynchronous programming and concurrency, microservices and architecture, experience with CI/CD pipeline in Azure DevOps, database like SQL, PostgreSQL, or MySQL, DevOps tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Git, CI/CD pipeline, API documentation like Swagger, Open API. Next hiring is conducted by the mthree and they are hiring as mthree Graduate Recruitment as a ST Tech 2026. And here you can see the job description. Degree in computer science, technology or related STEM subjects. Have aggregate percentage of 60 or higher throughout your academic career. Have strong programming skills in Java, Python, C, C++ or others. Have competitive coding experience will be plus point. Have good knowledge of troubleshooting and debugging skills. Solid software engineering principles like DS, OOPS, design patterns, multi-threading. Have the understanding of SDLC lifecycle, understanding of test-driven development. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.